the Thorsness family on a glorious Wednesday afternoon, actually morning, technically.
We've been up for a while, so
Yeah,
it feels like the afternoon. But, oh, Kate is waving. Hey, Kate, you say hi? Thorsness family here. We are gonna be dropping videos every Friday, hopefully. Today we're gonna be doing a vlog about our trip to the beach. And he just reminded me, you have to subscribe to our channel.
Go click that link.
Subscribe to the channel. Yes.
Let's get down in the frame here. Hey everybody.
We're packing for the beach. We're gonna get in and out, so we're not actually making food, but this is the last of the chocolate peanut butter Rice Krispies.
Kate's sad about it.
So we're gonna bring that. If you want to know the recipe for that, I have the link linked below. It's up on the blog.
If you guys haven't had In-N-Out, it is a California-based chain that's expanded into different states. It's really, really good. A lot of people have a debate on which one's better, In-N-Out versus Whataburger and Shake Shack. I'm a little biased because I'm from California and I love In-N-Out. I'm gonna say it's better than Shake Shack. I know you guys might be upset. I have never had Whataburger. Once I have it, I'll let you know. But In-N-Out is definitely the top dog right now. Goods.
Cheers, babe.
Gotta get the mustache out of the way for the cheese.
I did a blog post the other day about like relocating and like our options and where we're looking at. So I'm gonna link that below if you want to go ahead and take a look at that. But yeah, the beach, we're trying to get Cade down here as much as possible and take as many pictures and just be present here so we can have these memories when we leave. But this will always be a place that we come back to and like go on vacation and whatnot, so I don't want to cry. know how to break your back. Just have a 9-month-old who thinks that they can walk when they can't.
You did a complete circle.
This is the position that we're in pretty much 80% of our day. It's going real well. Babe, why are you gonna miss the beach and move away?
The sand and where it goes.
No, for real.
I love the beach. We always spent times at the beach as a kid, and so did Taz, and got a lot of fun memories just playing in the water and spending all day down here. And you know, we'll still be able to do it when we come visit and for summer vacations and stuff.
Kate just woke up from a nap, and we are going to go to the beach today. That's a toothbrush.
Time for tall people.
Oh my gosh, that's your toe.
Yeah, it was. It was my toe, and now it's a powdery substance that was a toe. Hey, everybody.
Stop bouncing him around.
Self.
Also, I was getting ready and can't wait. Just
What's going on? Is it the stain?
it's not even a stain.
It's a stain, guys.
It's food, or I don't know.
Hence
Is that what
a-
happens when you're a mom?
Hence a stain. That's what food is.
It's gonna come out.
Okay.